Okay, this tractor is a 1947 Oliver and was built by the same company that bought the Hart Park company that you saw in the last video. When we got this tractor, it was mostly just a pile of parts, unpainted, not running, everything else. And my cohort here, Jeff, did most of the work, figuring out where everything goes, putting it together, and so on like that. And since that time, we've gotten it all painted. It's probably running, and we can start it up and make it go. There's about probably 300 or 400 hours have been wrapped up in getting this tractor ready for show. And other than that, that's it. Let's see if it'll start. Ready? Get it. Well, there we go. We have to crank it. Here's the engine. This one is actually, the ignition is a distributor type ignition as opposed to magneto, which most of them are magnetos. But this one right here is the distributor type ignition. It has a coil, it has a generator, 6-volt system for keeping the battery charged. Right back in here is the battery. Now on the other side, on this side, we have the starter, the carburetor, and air cleaner, and of course the exhaust and intake manifolds. And the governor is right up here where you can't see it. Notice they've all been nice and cleaned up and painted thanks to Jeff's work. Back here, you can see the gear shift, the instrument panel, which has an ammeter, oil pressure gauge, and a temperature gauge. And this is the transmission lever. It has a 6-speed transmission, 2 reverses, and 6 forward speeds that do not even remotely match the placard that is on the tractor.